Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos. Chapter 1. SWOT Analysis Definition. Examples, process, and uses. Welcome to our video on SWOT analysis. Today we'll dive into what SWOT analysis is, how it works, and how you can use it effectively. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic tool used to evaluate these four key aspects of a project or business. By analyzing these elements, you can make informed decisions to leverage strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. Strengths are internal advantages, such as a strong brand or skilled team. Weaknesses are internal disadvantages, like outdated technology or poor customer service. Opportunities are external factors you can exploit, such as market trends or new technologies. Threats are external challenges, like economic downturns or increased competition. The process involves brainstorming with your team to identify and categorize these factors, prioritize them based on their impact, and then develop strategies to address them. For example, you might use your strengths to capitalize on opportunities or find ways to overcome your weaknesses. SWOT analysis is useful for business planning, personal development, and more. It helps in aligning your efforts with your goals and improving your chances of success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights.